Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of the legal and ethical aspects of cybersecurity, which is vital in our digital age. This involves understanding how to navigate the complex digital landscape responsibly, ensuring safety and compliance for everyone. Let's begin by exploring the various types of cybercrime, which are illegal activities that pose significant threats online. These are essentially illegal activities conducted within the digital world, causing harm to individuals and organizations. First up, we have hacking, a widely recognized form of cybercrime that you often hear about. This refers to gaining unauthorized access to computer systems, often with malicious intent to steal or disrupt. Another common type is phishing scams, which are deceptive tactics used to trick individuals online. These involve fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information, like passwords or credit card details, through impersonation. Then there's identity theft, a serious crime that can have long-lasting consequences for victims. This is the act of stealing someone's personal information to commit fraud or financial crimes. Next, we have malware attacks, which involve harmful software designed to infiltrate systems. This is about spreading malicious software to disrupt computer systems, steal data, or gain unauthorized control. Finally, we discuss data breaches, which are often significant security incidents for organizations. These occur when there is unauthorized access and disclosure of sensitive data, leading to severe privacy concerns. Now, let's examine the impact of cybercrime, understanding the far-reaching consequences of these digital offenses. These consequences affect both individuals and organizations, leading to significant challenges and losses across the board. A major impact is economic loss, directly hitting the financial well-being of victims. This includes significant financial setbacks resulting from fraud, theft, and recovery costs associated with cyber incidents. Another critical consequence is reputational damage, especially for businesses and public figures. This signifies a severe loss of trust from customers, partners, and the public after a security incident. We also face legal consequences, holding perpetrators and sometimes even victims accountable. These include hefty fines, lawsuits, and various penalties for individuals and organizations that violate cyber laws. Lastly, there's operational disruption, which can severely hinder business functions and productivity. This refers to downtime and a significant loss of productivity for businesses when their systems are compromised. Moving on, let's look at the key components of cyber law, which form the bedrock of digital security. These are the essential legal frameworks specifically designed to govern our actions in the digital age. First, we have data protection, a critical area ensuring the security of personal information. These laws, like GDPR and IT Act 2000, govern how personal data is collected, stored, and shared online. Next is cybercrime legislation, which directly addresses illegal activities in the digital realm. This defines specific cybercrimes and outlines the penalties for offenses such as hacking or online fraud. Intellectual property is also crucial, protecting creative works and innovations online. It safeguards digital copyrights, patents, and trademarks in the online space, protecting creators' rights. Digital contracts are another vital component, ensuring legal recognition of online agreements. This ensures the legal recognition and enforceability of electronic contracts and digital transactions in business. Finally, we consider freedom of speech in the digital context, a delicate balance to maintain. This balances free expression with the necessary prevention of illegal online content, like hate speech. Today, we'll delve into the crucial topic of ethical research principles in cybersecurity investigations. These principles serve as essential guidelines for conducting responsible and ethical security investigations. First, let's explore the fundamental rights of participants when conducting any cybersecurity research. Informed consent means obtaining explicit permission before collecting or using an individual's data. You must safeguard personal information, ensuring privacy and confidentiality against all unauthorized access. Next, let's examine the ethical conduct expected from researchers themselves during their investigations. It's vital that your research activities avoid causing any damage to individuals, organizations, or systems. Always ensure full legal compliance, adhering to all relevant laws for cybersecurity research and data handling. Now, let's discuss a critical concept: the principle of responsible disclosure in cybersecurity. Responsible disclosure involves reporting vulnerabilities to affected parties first, allowing them time to fix issues before public release. Moving on, we'll examine the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, specifically for protecting EU data. GDPR is a comprehensive law for EU data, requiring explicit consent, data rights, and breach notifications to avoid significant fines. Let's explore the fundamental core principles that underpin effective data protection practices today. These principles are crucial for safeguarding personal information effectively in our increasingly digital world. First, we have data minimization, which is a key principle for responsible data handling. This means collecting only the absolute necessary data for your specific, intended purpose. Next is purpose limitation, which strictly guides how we use the collected data ethically. You should only use data for the specific, predefined purpose it was originally collected for. Another vital principle is data accuracy, ensuring reliability and trustworthiness in your records. It's essential to ensure that all data remains accurate and is regularly kept fully up to date. Then, there's storage limitation, which dictates how long we should appropriately retain information. Simply put, only keep data for as long as it is truly necessary and justified. Finally, we have integrity and confidentiality, cornerstone principles of robust data security. This means protecting data from any unauthorized access, alteration, or disclosure at all times diligently. Let's explore why ethics are so crucial in the field of cybersecurity, impacting every aspect of our digital world. Fundamentally, ethics help us build trust and ensure accountability within the complex and sensitive realm of cybersecurity. First, ethics foster trust and integrity, vital for professionals to act honestly and build confidence with stakeholders. It ensures professionals always act with honesty, building essential confidence with all the stakeholders they interact with. Next, ethics are key for accountability, guiding practitioners to take full responsibility for their actions and decisions. This guides practitioners to always take responsibility for their actions and decisions, upholding professional standards diligently. Finally, ethics help ensure legal compliance, aligning professional conduct with legal requirements and reducing risks. It aligns professional conduct with all legal requirements, significantly reducing potential legal and operational risks for organizations. Now, let's delve into the core ethical duties that every security professional must uphold in their daily work. These duties are essential for guiding professional conduct, ensuring responsible and effective cybersecurity practices for everyone. Confidentiality is paramount. It means protecting sensitive information from any unauthorized access or disclosure diligently. We must protect sensitive information, preventing unauthorized access or disclosure to maintain trust and security effectively. This includes safeguarding client data, organizational secrets, and all forms of personal information with utmost care. Integrity requires acting with honesty and avoiding any behaviors that could compromise professional credibility and trust. Always act with honesty and avoid behaviors that could compromise your professional credibility and the trust placed in you. Base all your assessments and decisions on factual evidence and sound judgment for reliable and ethical outcomes. Professional competence means maintaining the necessary skills, knowledge, and training for effective performance in cybersecurity. It's vital to maintain necessary skills, knowledge, and training to ensure effective and reliable performance in this field. Engage in continuous learning to stay current with evolving threats and technologies, always improving your expertise. Respect for privacy involves upholding individuals' privacy rights, in all aspects of data handling and protection. Always uphold individuals' privacy rights in all data handling processes and during every interaction. Ensure data is collected, used, and shared strictly according to legal and ethical standards consistently. Let's summarize the key points we've covered in this discussion about cybersecurity's legal and ethical aspects. These are the essential takeaways you should remember from our exploration of this crucial and evolving topic. Remember, cybercrime involves illegal digital activities with significant, far-reaching impacts on individuals and organizations globally. Cyber law provides essential legal frameworks designed to combat cybercrime and protect our digital rights effectively. Ethical security research always prioritizes informed consent, privacy, and responsible vulnerability disclosure to protect everyone. Data protection regulations like GDPR and HIPAA are crucial for safeguarding personal information globally and effectively. Professional ethics are fundamental for maintaining trust, integrity, and accountability in all cybersecurity practices and roles.